Cracked or damaged toilet bowl rims are more common than you think, and ignoring them can lead to serious leaks and costly repairs. So, if your toilet bowl rim is cracked or damaged, the best move is usually to replace the whole toilet. First off, shut off the water supply and flush to empty the tank and bowl. Next, disconnect the water line and remove the bolts holding the toilet to the floor. Be careful lifting it since toilets are heavy and awkward. Check the wax ring seal for damage and replace it with a fresh one to avoid leaks. When placing the new toilet, align it carefully over the bolts and press down firmly to compress the wax ring. Tighten the bolts evenly, but don't over-tighten or you risk cracking the new toilet. Reconnect the water line, turn on the water, and test for leaks by flushing a few times. If everything looks good, caulk around the base for a clean finish and extra stability. One of the biggest mistakes with cracked toilet bowl rims is trying to patch or glue them instead of replacing the toilet, which just wastes time and money because those fixes usually fail quickly. Another common issue is over-tightening the bolts when installing a new toilet, which can cause new cracks or damage. Always tighten bolts slowly and evenly. Lastly, people often skip replacing the wax ring seal, which leads to leaks under the toilet that can damage your floor. Always swap out the wax ring during replacement. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it helps you find trusted local contractors without all the hassle of endless searching. Plus, it's a solid way for contractors to get more work by connecting with people who really need their skills fast.